Agile development isn't just a buzzword, it's a mindset and methodology that can transform how your startup builds products. In this lesson, we'll look at what Agile really means, how it supports rapid growth, and how to implement it effectively in your startup's project management. At its core, Agile is about flexibility, collaboration, and customer feedback. Traditional development models often follow a strict linear path. Plan everything, build everything, then test at the end. Agile flips that idea. Instead of trying to get everything perfect up front, Agile encourages you to build in small, usable chunks, test them quickly, and continuously improve based on what you learn. This process is especially valuable for startups where time and resources are limited and change is constant. Agile helps you stay focused on what matters, delivering value to users quickly. By shipping fast and iterating often, you avoid spending months building features no one wants. One of the most common Agile frameworks is Scrum. In Scrum, work is organized into sprints, usually 2-week cycles where teams commit to completing a small set of features or tasks. Each sprint starts with planning, ends with a review and retrospective, and includes daily stand-up meetings to keep everyone aligned and moving forward. Another popular framework is Kanban, which visualizes tasks on a board, often with columns like To Do, In Progress, and Done. This approach is less structured than Scrum and ideal for continuous work with changing priorities. It's a great fit for smaller teams or early-stage startups still finding their rhythm. Regardless of the framework, Agile emphasizes collaboration and ownership. Everyone on the team is responsible for delivering value, not just developers. Designers, marketers, founders, and support teams all have a role in shaping and refining the product. Agile teams work closely together, break down silos, and communicate openly. Project management tools play a big role in Agile. Tools like Jira, Trello, Asana, and Notion help teams track progress, assign tasks, and document updates. The best tools for your startup are the ones that your team will actually use. Keep it simple at first and grow into more complex systems as needed. Agile also encourages transparency and adaptability. With regular check-ins, retrospectives, and backlog grooming, your team stays aware of what's working and what's not. You're not locked into a long-term plan. You're constantly learning, adjusting, and improving. For founders, Agile provides clear visibility into how your product is progressing. Instead of waiting weeks or months for updates, you can see value being delivered regularly. It also empowers your team to make decisions, solve problems, and move fast without waiting on approvals. However, Agile isn't about chaos. It still requires planning, prioritization, and discipline. You need a clear product vision, strong communication, and a process for deciding what gets built next. Without those, Agile can quickly become disorganized. Start small, maybe 1 or 2 week sprints, a basic Kanban board, and short daily stand-ups. As your team grows and your process evolves, you can layer on more structure. The key is to make Agile work for you, not the other way around. By embracing Agile, your startup becomes faster, smarter, and more responsive. You'll build better products, improve team morale, and be ready to adapt in a constantly changing environment. Let's get into the rhythm of building, learning, and improving together.